So today I'll teach you how to use a new website called Flippity.net. You write Flippity on Google and then you enter the website Flippity.net. You will see many types of games that you can create. You can create a random name picker, you can create automatic groups, you can create a quiz show right here. Let's start with the one that will enable students to create basically many games. So let's start with this one, Flippity flashcards. It will look like this. So students will have flashcards to practice with, and also a list of words, practice writing and spelling, matching games. For instance, Vincent van Gogh and the picture, and then it disappears and it takes the time, kind of like Quizlet. Word cloud, and when we click more we will be able to see bingo games, crossword, hangman, memory game, word search, and of course the ability to print everything. So bingo looks like this. Play. Students basically scan this QR code and they get a personal bingo board in their phone. So in order to start with this, there's crossword puzzles. It creates this automatically and then you're able to print this for your students. Also, there's a way to play hangman on the board. It's automatic. For instance, F and Y and I, and that's how you play. You see, you got that little head right here. So how do we do this? We go to the main page. This is the main page, and we choose the game that we want. We said we wanted to start with this one, so we click on template, and then it goes to our Google Drive. So you need to be logged in with your Gmail account, your Google account. You click on make a copy, and then you have an existing list, and all you need to do is just change the terms. Okay, so you want to start with, let's say the first term is prize. You can write here a reward, or you can also write in Hebrew pras. You can do heavy. Let's say the next word is heavy. And then you can write here kaved, or you can write the opposite of light. And then you just put in the rest of the terms however you want. Let's say you want to have a picture instead of a word. So you can find that picture on the internet. And once you find it, you do a right click and you do copy the picture address. העתק כתובת תמונה. That's the right click. העתק כתובת תמונה. You go back and you paste it. You paste the address here, basically here. And then you can write the word here. Let's say gold. Okay, so let's say my next word is date. We can go here and we can write the date. Let's say okay, and so we can do right click, העתק כתובת תמונה, and we go here and we paste this one. And then here we write date. Okay, let's say we don't need the rest, we just have 16. So we can highlight everything or mark everything, choose everything, and then click on the delete button. That's it. Now that we're done and we have our list, we can click on File, Publish to the Web, and here Publish, and we will go to this link, the link it gives us, and we will paste it on the web browser. Now that we have this, we click on Get the Link here, and we see this link. We need to click on it, and we will basically get to the game, the actual game. So those are the words that we put in, or that we plugged in. We can make a list. We can practice writing. We can also change it. Here, if we change it, it starts with the definition and not with the word. Let's say prize. The opposite of light, heavy. And then we go to matching. Here we can see I made a mistake and the picture didn't go through. The picture didn't go through. This one did go through, so I can do date and this will disappear. Ben Adam is person, so person. We can go to word cloud, we can go to more. We can create a bingo game that will be sent to the students. We can also do a memory game. Memory game looks like this. We can place this on the board and just play person and finish gold. Another date. Already done. Etc. And that's it. Okay, if you want to go back to the home page, we will be able to see many other things that we can do. So if you want to do this one, which will enable us to have a random name picker, students' names, for example, also single names. And what I love about this is that it can randomly create groups for you. So if you want groups of 2s or 3s, or if you want 5 teams, it will randomly create the groups for you, and kids can just run around and sit in those groups. Yeah, that is for example. So for that, all we need to do is click on, again, template, make a copy, and here we will place the names of the of our students instead of the existing ones. So for example, you can write Ben, Gary, Elia, Gali, etc. And then we click on File, Publish to Web, Publish, Issue, and we copy this link onto a web browser, and we get this, and then we click on Get the Link here, we click, and then we get our names, the names that we have inserted. We can also do this or this, the groups, etc. So basically, you can do it with any game that you see on here. And that's it. It's the same thing for everything. Good luck.